No, that's right. That's right. Tell us again. Yeah. Tell us again. That's right. Move that little tongue around. Yeah. That's good looking. Yeah. 'Cause that's how you learn to talk. Yeah. I know. Parents don't talk to their kids the way they should. It's very sad. Yes, it is. It's very sad. But we're going to talk to you all the time. Yeah. We talk to you all the time, don't we? I hear your doggy. You see your doggy? You do? What is your doggy? Okay. Marley. Say, where's Marley? Where's your Marley? I don't know. It's exciting, isn't it? Yeah. I know. Where's your kitty cat? Huh? Where is that kitty cat? Where did he go? I don't know. Is he outside? He's outside. Yeah, he's outside. Yep, he's probably looking for a mouse. I know. Imagine that. He likes to eat mice. I know. They're yucky, huh? They're yucky. You don't want to eat mice. No. No. You're going to have good food when you get bigger. I know, yeah. Sit in your high chair. Huh? When you get bigger, sit in your high chair. Then we'll eat in the dining room. Yes, we will. We'll eat in the dining room, I know. Won't that be fun? Huh? And then Marley can catch food. Yeah, Marley can catch food when you thrust. Yeah, yeah. You'll like to do that. You'll think it's funny, won't you? You'll think it's funny and then you'll laugh. And then Marley will get fat. Yeah, Marley's gonna get fat. I know. I don't know what we're gonna do about that. I don't know. You wanna sit up? I don't know what we're gonna do about that. I know. We have to put Marley on a diet again. I know. That's what we'll have to do. Gonna talk to me again? Huh? Talk to me again? She hasn't taken her eyes off me.
I know.
I know. Oh, are you tired? Are you a tired girl? Uh-huh. Are you a tired girl? Well, that talking's making you tired, huh? I know. Imagine that. You're gonna have a bath. You wanna have a bath? Wanna have a bath? Okay.
Yes.
All right. All right.